Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Shopify product branding with Canva uploads step by step clearly. To restore your Shopify product branding with Canva uploads, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the products section from the dashboard. Select the product you want to update. Scroll down to the images section of the product page. Click on that Add Images button. Open Canva in a new tab or window. Log into your Canva account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Create a new design that matches your brand style and product requirements. Use the appropriate dimensions for your product images, typically 2048 by 2048 pixels for shop. Incorporate your brand colors, fonts, and logos into the design. Once your design is complete, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Choose the format you prefer, ideally PNG or JPG, for high-quality images. Save the file to your computer. Go back to your Shopify tab with the product page open. Click on where it says Upload Images. Select the image file you downloaded from Canva. Wait for the upload to complete and ensure the image appears correctly in the preview. You can then drag and rearrange your images if you have multiple ones. Once everything looks good, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. Repeat this process for any additional products you wish to. After you've updated all desired products, review your store's front end to see the changes. Make sure your branding is consistent across all products for a professional appearance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.